you've decided to get your first credit card and you're looking into the Discover It Secured card. In this video, I'm going to go over the benefits of this card and whether or not you should get it. Let's start off with what is a secured card. Now, secured cards are generally beginner credit cards that help you develop a relationship with a bank. In the case of the Discover It Secured card, you pay a refundable deposit to Discover, and then they give you a credit limit based off that deposit. So if you paid a refundable deposit of $200, then Discover would give you a $200 credit limit. And remember, this is a refundable deposit, so you get that money back. It usually takes around 6 months to get your deposit back. The reason why they require this money is because you have no credit history, so they don't know if they give you a $200, $300 credit limit if you're just gonna take that money and run. So by paying them that $200 to $300, they are taking no risk by giving you a credit limit. This is good because credit card companies don't wanna take unnecessary risks. So you paying them eliminates that risk. However, this security deposit can be a problem for some people. Some people don't want to pay $200 even if they're going to get it back 6 months later. It's just a mental barrier. I know a lot of my friends who have been like, oh, I don't really have $200 laying around right now. I'll do it later. And then they end up never doing it. This is a bad trap to fall into where you keep pushing off getting a credit card. So I recommend you just do it now. And not only do you get your $200 back, you'll get a lifetime of low interest rate loans that could potentially save you thousands and thousands of dollars in the future. So it is a great investment to make while you're young. And this is really the only way to get started with credit cards, so you're gonna have to do it eventually. It might as well be now. All right, now that you know what a secured card is, let's go over the benefits of this card. For a beginner card, this card has some crazy benefits, which makes it the best beginner card out there. On this card, you get 2x back for groceries and restaurants. So this means that for every $100 you spend, you'll get $2 back. This benefit is crazy for a beginner card. Normally, you get 1x back, and honestly, a lot of the time you get nothing back. So this card is by far the best in that regard, and you also get a bunch of other benefits. And I know that $2 may not seem like a lot, but it really adds up. And on every other purchase, you get 1x back, which again, is nice to have for this card. But wait, it gets even better. For the first year, you're basically earning double points, so 4x back on groceries and restaurants, and then 2x back on everything else, because Discover does a cashback match. This means that all the cashback that you've made in the first year gets doubled. So in the first year, I made around $150 in cashback, so Discover matched me with that $150, so I had $300 in total. And that is completely free money. I basically use that cashback to just buy Christmas gifts or birthday gifts for people, because I hate paying for those things out of my own pocket, so I figured, why not do it for free? But you can use this money for literally anything. You can take it out in cash or just use it directly from Amazon. And another great thing about this card is it has no annual fee, so you never have to pay a thing for this card. Okay, now that I've gone over the benefits of this card, let me tell you my thoughts. Overall, in my opinion, this is the best beginner credit card that you can get, and it is 1000% worth the $200. And you're not even paying the $200, you're getting that back. This is the credit card that I started out with, and it got my credit score to over 740 within the first year. That is pretty good. Now, if I were you, I would apply today for this card just so you can start building your credit immediately. Before you go, if you sign up for this card using the link in my description, then you get $50 for free. And I also get $50 for free, so it's a great way to help out the channel and get some free money. As always, I hope this video brought you some value and taught you something new about credit cards. If you want to see more content like this, then I recommend you subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about anything in this video, then leave it in the comments below. Thank you all, and have a great day.